Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, April 16th. So I've been watching Tesla here for a couple of days, and the one thing that caught my eye was at one time the market was moving higher, especially the NASDAQ, and Tesla was still kind of languishing down here around just under $350. All of a sudden, early part of this week, we started to accelerate, and all of a sudden yesterday had a huge move from roughly 365 all the way up to almost 395, almost a $30 move in Tesla, and again a significant move to the upside. Today we were kind of pausing a little bit, but I'm looking at this price action, and I think if we can break above the 200-day, which is currently at 398, I think a reasonable next stop is just under 420. MQ trend outs are at 419. I think that is a very very strong possibility in a bullish market. Now, the Nasdaq movement in the Nasdaq is also something to watch out for, and this is a potential head and shoulders pattern. But I also know on a daily chart, if we make a higher high, say above 395, can push above 398 and a half, I think you're pretty clear to make a move up to the MQ trend outs up around 419, and that would be a pretty sizable move and pay off really well. So keep an eye on Tesla. Strong overall momentum still. We just need a nice clean break to the upside above the 200-day, and we're off to the races again. Thanks.